Welcome back again to my channel. Sorry guys, I have to adjust this thing. This is Julia Jacob Vlogs. So guys, today I want to talk about something that have really bothering me. I've really been thinking about it. But before we start, um if you know this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I love you all. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell that you will be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. Oh, this thing is really disturbing me. Yeah, okay. I think it's good like this. So guys, today I want to talk about those men or those family, those husbands family that always blame the wife for being unable to have children. They don't care to know if the fault is from their child, if the fault is from their son, but all they do is say that the woman is unable to get pregnant. The fault is from the woman. The fault is from the woman. They have become God that knows when to give birth to kids and when not to give birth to kids. Now, let's look at it. When a husband and wife they are married, yes, they are in their home, they are married, and it happens that for years they are unable to get pregnant or to have kids. What are the family supposed to do? Or even the man that want to blame the woman for for being unable to get pregnant? They will not seek a good solution. All they will do is sit down in the house and start saying that, passing the blame on the woman, that the woman is the one that is unable to get pregnant. And you will see the family, they will begin to disturb the man. Go and marry another woman. Go and marry another woman. Go and marry another woman. They don't care to know whose fault it is. If it's the woman's fault or if it's the man's fault. They don't care to know. All they know is that the woman is unable to have kids. So for that reason, their son should go ahead and marry another woman. I don't understand. The fault must be maybe from the man. It may be that it's not the woman fault that she can't get pregnant. Even when the son say, I don't want to marry another woman, they will still want to force the man to go and marry another woman. And if the man refuse, they start fighting the woman both physically and spiritually. They don't want to know. They don't care to know. Even women that will still marry tomorrow, they will still join and be fighting their brother's wife just because she's unable to get pregnant. Just because, oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm so exhausted. Just because she's unable to get pregnant, she's unable to have kids. I don't know. Is it the woman's fault? Don't get me wrong. In some cases, it might be the woman's fault. But before they start fighting, before they start deciding for the man, before they start saying that is the woman's fault, is the woman's fault, have they find out? The family does they don't find out. Then even if it's the woman's fault, is there something that our God cannot do? They don't want to wait for God's time. All they want to do is the woman should go since she can't get pregnant, and for their son to get another wife. Is it right? Is it really right? It's not right. The woman may be looking for a child today. It does not mean that tomorrow she cannot get it. When God says yes, no man or woman can say no. When he says yes, no man or woman can say no. God can answer the woman's prayer within a twinkle of an eye. But they don't want to be patient with the woman. And the most annoying part is they blame the women every time. They always pass the blame on the women. They always pass the blame on the women because I don't know if the woman is God that give children. I don't really know. They don't know if their son is evil impotent. They don't know if their son cannot father a child. But they want to blame the woman always. And the most annoying one is na so gets you born. That one dey vex me well well. I know they like to use yeye am. I know they like to use yeye that word. Na so gets you born. Seriously, na so gets you born. Na the woman be God when they give children. Na the woman be God wey dey give boys, dey give girls. Not be the one wey God give and she go born. Then who says female kids and female children, they are not good, they are not children? Who says that? Because of that reason, the man self go marry another woman for her to born boy. Just because say if he say na the fault of this other woman for her not to give birth to boys. Some days sef they will end up marrying the woman and dem no go still get pikin, not to talk of say get the boy. They go just abandon their woman for no reason, go marry another woman because say she born girls. Because na she be God when they give children. Na she go tell God say, God oh, as you wan give me this belle now, when you wan bless me with this pikin now, na boy you go must give me. Una forget say na wetin the man give the woman na she dey bring out. If you give her a boy, she will bring out a boy. When you give her girl, she go bring girl come out. Yes. Abi una no read am for school. So no stop all these things. Na so gets e born. And for that reason, you must look for boy you must born boy you you continue to dey born until you go born ground full say you dey find boy. It is not your fault that you are not able to have a male child. Male child na blessing. Female children are still blessing. All na blessings from God. The Bible says children are blessings from God. And his blessings, he added no sorrow. So even if he give you girls, he will never add anything sorrow to it. You have to pray for God to bless those girls so that they will do that which a man can do for you. Not saying that, hey, I never born boy you, I must born boy you, I must born boy you, I must born boy you go use like that born house full. And the men go just dey blame the women for no reason. Their family go dey blame the women. Everybody will be passing the blame on the women. Even the neighbors, the society, they always blame women for not having male children or for not getting pregnant. It's not right. We should stop it. It's not right. For me, it's not right because nobody is God. It's not right. Instead of blaming the woman as the man, why don't you find solution? Both of you look for solution. Look for a way to solve the problem. And you want to join your family and start blaming your wife. Give am boy, go give you boy. Give am belle, go born. Waiting. So guys, it's not right for men to start blaming their wife for being unable to get pregnant, or their family start blaming their brother's wife or their son's wife from being unable to get pregnant. If una son give am belle, go born. You don't even know if it's your son's fault. So let's stop all these things. We Nigeria people, the thing don dey too much for us. For Africa, e don dey too much. The woman don't get belle, they go say na the woman, na the wife fault. You know, no, they not go know whether na the man fault. And even like women like them, they will still be they go still dey bully them. Say you were never born. So you be God when they give children. You be God when you know tomorrow. You when you never born. Because you born one, you born two. For that reason, you feel the other person not go fit born. Please, let's stop it. It's not right. That is my little video for today. So guys, if you know you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, or drop your opinion. If wetin I dey talk wrong, for me, I know say na wetin right I dey talk. You don't have to start bullying. Please, that's for we women, when we know how to insult people, say you were never born. We should stop it. Not be their fault, say they never born. If guys, I'm saying it, if you are trying to mock the person, when you are trying to mock the person, it's not right. Do not mock anybody. Because God is the giver of children. The God, when he give you your own, he will still give the other person his own. You understand? So drop your comments in the comment section below, your opinion about what I'm talking about. And please share the video. Please, guys, share my video. God bless you as you do so. Like I said before, if it's your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn on your notification bell, that you will be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. God bless you all. I love you all.